Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off the watch and removing the band so the case edges are accessible. Once done, loosen the screws with the correct precision driver and lift the back plate gently. Use a spudger to free clips rather than pry hard. You want to expose the internal button assembly without flexing the display. Make sure to keep screws in order and photograph each step for reassembly, because small parts are easy to misplace and orientation matters when you put it back together. You should now inspect the button mechanism: the cap, spring, rubber dome, and the contact pad on the PCB. If you see corrosion or dirt, clean gently with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush and dry thoroughly. Once clean, test the spring tension and the contact pad continuity. If a spring is deformed, swap it, and if solder joints look cracked, reflow with a fine tip iron. Make sure to avoid overheating nearby plastic and keep track of which side faces up. You reassemble by aligning the button cap and spring, seating the back plate, and tightening screws evenly so the case seals correctly. Once assembled, power the watch and immediately test button function through the UI and any diagnostics. Verify repeatable response and no false presses. If the button still fails, make sure contacts stayed clean and springs are seated. Otherwise, replace the contact pad or the small PCB section. If the problem persists after these steps, consult.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.